down in the bottom of it now. Here's my favorite rock I was telling you about. I used to sit up there and daydream, deer hunting. So peaceful and quiet. Well, this is the reason I call it the high wall. Make my way through the brush. As you can tell, there's no deer moving down through here. I used to sit on top of that rock and daydream. The animals could come through, but there's no way to get up over it. Now most of this is all where it filled in over the years. And the reason it's so thick is because it's been logged. Like I say, Mother Nature comes back. It grows back in fury. That's where I'm headed, down in there. See if I can zoom in. This is February. It's really beautiful. You can hear the eyes. That's the tree branch. Now I do know I was turkey hunting here one year, and I had to tippy toe out of here because of all the copperheads. And they love this area. So this is a stronghold for them. And the pipeline's right up over top of that. Zoom back here. It's hard to get the scope of everything. The only cracks I really know of is back up in there. Okay, I'm gonna head on back down and around. It's really beautiful. Beautiful day. And that's where I'm gonna head out of, all the way over there, clear across this holler. It's really beautiful. Like I say, stay out of here in the summer, unless you got high-heeled boots. Well, I'm having fun today. It's my snow day. I just love it. Peace.